In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up membership sites in GoHighLevel. We'll start right inside your GoHighLevel account. From your main dashboard, head over to the Launchpad area. This is usually the first place you land when you log in, and it's where GoHighLevel keeps the key tools you'll use to manage your account. From the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Memberships and click on it. This is where all of your online courses and membership products will live. Once you're in the membership section, hover over the courses area and then click on Products. Think of a product here as the actual course or membership your customers will get access to. Next, click on Create New. A window will open asking how you want to build this product. Choose Start from Scratch. This gives you the most control and is perfect if you're building a new course or membership from the ground up. Now it's time to define the basics of your course. First, type in your course title. Make it clear and specific so your members instantly understand what they're getting. Under that, type in your course description. Use this space to explain who the course is for, what it covers, and the main outcome members can expect. Below the description, click on Upload Thumbnail, then upload an image from your computer. This thumbnail will act like a cover image for your course, so choose something visually appealing and on brand. Once the basics are in place, click on Set Up Pricing. Here, you'll decide if your membership is free, a one-time payment, or a recurring subscription. Pick the option that matches your business model and enter your price details accordingly. When you're happy with that, click on Create Course. GoHighLevel will now generate the back-end layout for you. You'll see a general outline with modules and sections. Hover over one of the sections and click on the little pen icon. This lets you edit the title and description of that section so you can break your course into clear lessons or modules. To start adding actual training material, click on Add Content. This is where you upload or update your videos, PDFs, text lessons, and any other resources your members need. At the top, click on Offers to see your current courses and offers tied to this product. From here, click on Customize to edit the layout and theme of your membership site so it matches your branding and provides a good user experience. You'll also see a credentials section. Click here if you want to attach or remove any credentials related to your course, such as completion certificates. Then click on Community Groups if you want to create and manage community groups for your members. This is a great way to build engagement and support around your content. Finally, click on Outline to view the full course outline of your membership site. This gives you a high-level view of all your modules, sections, and content, so you can make sure everything is structured the way you want before you start sending members to it.